Be sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on that notification bell and hit the like button.
I'm always doing the most, finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back, let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video I've started off with the pointed almond tips already applied to my hand, and I'm just going to come in with the tip cutters and just remove the length, since today we are doing a short set. Don't forget to go ahead and follow me on Instagram at Ninja Nail Fairy. I'll make sure to link all the products down below that I'm using in this set, but let me just show you guys some of the products that I will be featuring. So this is powder blue, which is a acrylic powder. This is the 28-gram jar and the colour is absolutely gorgeous. It's perfect for the colder weather and the winter and all of that good stuff. So I thought I'd do a short icy blue set. I'm also using Mermaid Tail, which is this gorgeous loose glitter, and I'll be combining that with Clear Hollow, and this is the glitter that I am going to be sugaring onto the pinky finger, and honestly it's absolutely gorgeous. Look how it shines. Just all the different rainbow colours in there are so beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the pinky finger and I'm going to do a complete nail of the powder blue acrylic, just making sure that I apply it nice and neat around that cuticle area and also nice and thin so I can come in and cap this colour. Moving on to the next nail, I'm going to come in with powder blue at the cuticle area. I'm just placing down the bead and tucking it up nicely into the cuticle, making sure that I don't get any product on the skin or let it flow into the side walls. We want to keep it nice and in the correct position and nice and tidy so that we're not kind of exposing our client to any products that we don't need to. I'm just blending that bead down the nail, making sure it's nice and thin and tidying up where I need to, making sure to obviously clean the brush through each kind of product application so that we don't get any build up in there. Once I'm happy with that, I'm going to come in with Mermaid Tail loose glitter at the free edge, and I'm going to be blending that back up the nail for a nice pretty ombre, and these colours went together absolutely beautifully. The combination was gorgeous. So I am just going to come in with a little bit more of that glitter just to make sure I have it the way that I like. When I'm adding a glitter to the free edge, I like to make sure that it all is covered and then faded and blended up the nail. Of course, if you're doing like a glass free edge and you want to be able to see through, then that's absolutely fine. But yeah, I like to make sure that I build up that product nicely without making the nail thick, so try not to add too much clear acrylic. Moving on to this next nail, we're going to be doing a ombre, and this is going to be using powder blue, which is the pastel blue colour, and also pure pink, which is a gorgeous pink cover powder. I'm just first applying my bead at the free edge of powder blue, and I've flipped my brush round so that it's kind of going up the nail, and I'm pulling that bead back up the nail towards the cuticle about halfway, and then making sure to come in and tidy up those side walls as well. Once I'm happy with the placement of the blue, I'm going to come in with pure pink, and the first bead goes directly on the area where the colour finishes, and then I'm going to gently stroke that down. I'm then going to add my cuticle bead and then do the same thing, blend that into the bead that I already applied. Also guys, those of you that are waiting for pure pink, it is available now, so I will be sure to link it down below along with everything else if you are interested. Moving on to the next nail, I'm going to be coming in with that powder blue, and I'm just doing a full nail of this as the base, and then once I'm happy with that I will be coming in with Mermaid Tail loose glitter and just going across on an angle, just because I think when you're doing a simple set just with acrylic and glitter, it's nice to incorporate different variations of applying that glitter, and it can make a set go from like kind of super plain to a little bit of like something about it kind of thing, if you know what I'm saying. Still plain, but not. I just had to show this this nail, because honestly the shine is just unbelievable. So before I encapsulated, I had to get a bit more of a shot in there. But yeah, I'm coming in with Nailmate's Crystal Clear Acrylic and capping the entire set, and then we will be top coating once I've filed and buffed. And let me tell you that Nailmate Crystal Clear Acrylic is the clearest acrylic ever. I have proof. When you see the end shots of this nail, you will be able to see straight through. The clarity is unbelievable, honestly, unbelievable. I love it. And not only is it super crystal clear, it's also really easy to work with and manage. I just cannot get enough of our crystal clear acrylic. It is super freaking bomb. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and encapsulate the rest of the nails, and then I'll be back to top coat and share the final results. Okay guys, so here we are top coating, and look at the clarity of this nail. Like, seeing that glitter unveiled with such a gorgeous glass shine, it's absolutely stunning. This is my favourite part, and you guys know that this is my favourite part, and I'm guessing it's yours as well, because honestly, how can you not love that reveal? Bloody beautiful. Anyway, as always, I am using Nailmate Super Gloss to top coat, and then I'm going to cure in the lamp for a full 60 seconds and add some cuticle oil. But I'll just go ahead and finish top coating these guys and then share the final look. First though, I am doing a sugared nail, which honestly, I need to do more because the outcome was stunning. So as I mentioned earlier in the video, I am using clear hollow loose glitter for this sugared nail, and I think this is such a stunning glitter to sugar because it's clear but has all those iridescent rainbow pieces. It just really kind of changes to suit every single colour, if that makes any sense. If you've got this glitter, you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, I'm going to come in with super gloss and apply a nice layer to this entire nail because that's the area that I want to cover. If you just wanted to do the free edge, you could apply it to half of the nail or just a line down the center, but in this case I'm doing the entire nail, and I'm just going to use an unused pop stick just to pick up some of that glitter like a little spoon and just shovel it onto the nail, literally just like that. Making sure to coat all of the nail and allow that glitter to settle into the top coat for a few seconds, and then I will go ahead and cure it in the light for a full 60 seconds and then dust off the excess. Super pretty. Look how gorgeous it looks. Like, oh my god. Okay you guys, this is the final look. I love how it turned out. I think it looks freaking bomb. This short, cute as hell set. I am in love. I hope you guys have enjoyed it as well. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you loved how this set turned out, leave me a comment below if you'd like to see more short nails as well. As always guys, remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anybody tell you any different because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye.